Hey Bay, today I'm showing you a lot of 13 tips and tricks video game magazines. These are a selection of the earliest and the latest ones that I have. They range from the years 1999, 2000, and 2001. And then we have a few from 2006. I will have the complete years 2002 and 2004 up, as well as a bigger lot 15 issues from 2003 and 2005. So this is sort of the odds and ends of the years that I didn't have very many of. We'll go ahead and flip through them. Take a look at the condition. They will get better as they move up. These were mine when I was a kid, and this first one from 99 here, I would have had it when I was 10 years old. See, I marked through some of the things as I was playing Pokemon Snap. There are wear on like the edges, the corners of many of the covers. Many of the pages are going to be folded back and wrinkled like that, especially on the earlier ones. This one, the cover is like barely holding together with tape here. A lot of wrinkles on the corners, a lot of folding. Back cover is barely holding on too. After that, we should be getting into more reasonable territory. A little bit of wrinkle on that. Corner folds. Spine got crinkled in a little bit on that one. It's from 2000. There's another 2000 issue. This one's much better though. No real big condition issues. Sort of just normal, okay condition. Here we're into 2001. At some point they introduced the pencil puzzles on these pages, and I don't know when that is, but whenever they come along, I do remember doing quite a few of those, so they may be done in some of these issues. We'll try to find them. Yeah, it's around the time they started. One is done in that one. It's another 2001. Both are done in that one. Then we're jumping to 2006. I believe the pencil puzzles were gone at this point, as they switched to, the glossy paper throughout the magazine. In the 2006 issues, which are that one and all the rest you're going to see, I believe they should mostly be in good to very good condition. There's no pencil puzzles to be done. I was 17 at the time I got those. It's mainly looking at codes on the internet if I needed them. Just kind of reading these cool little reports. I always felt like this magazine was underrated because just these little articles that they had each month were very unique. Not something you would find in like EGM or Nintendo Power in terms of what they highlighted that would have been mainly what I was reading at the time, either that or the strategy guides. And the last one. Again, I cannot 100% confirm that there won't be additional damage that I didn't find. I don't have time to go through page by page on all of these, but you can see as well as I can that they look to be in mostly acceptable for the earlier ones and good condition for the later ones on this lot. Thanks for looking, guys.